for crypto airdrop. You no like free money in it. Why you no go participate in crypto airdrop? Just few minutes of your time. So this one I want drop with you guys. This team go pay just like hot that we are mining. If you join hot, it's not too late, sha, but we don't mine hot. This hot very soon they will launch, and that money, that hot point will turn to money. So this is the one you are very early now. Start this one as I'm giving it to you. Okay, Pixel wallet. Okay, Pixel wallet. So if you are watching this video on YouTube or anywhere you are watching it, just join this particular crypto airdrop group. Okay, so you can also check the description. So you click on this, on the wallet. If you're on Telegram now, join the Telegram group, or you just click from YouTube where you are watching from. So click on the link. Once you have Telegram on your phone, it will launch automatically. If you don't have Telegram, install Telegram before clicking the link. So once it launch, just click on start, but the bot will just cleanse. So you click on start, open wallet. So once you open your wallet, this airdrop just need just a click of this button every 2 hours. Okay, you click on mine. Okay, make sure you save your key, you understand, your phrase, your phrase when you are when you launch it for the first time. Save it on your Google Drive. So make sure you save it. Okay, you will need that seed phrase. Okay, save it. So now every 2 hours you come here to claim. Okay, because this claim, you will need gas fees. This gas fees is minor number, like 0.00001 dollar, something like that. So but all you need to, you have 4 claim. You can claim for free 4 times. You can see this one now, I still have 1 gas free claim. So if I click on claim, so you can see it has been claimed. So after 2 hours now it will fill up again. You just come after every 2 hours, you can set alarm, just come and claim. That's all. So now for you to be able to keep claiming after the 4th one, you will need gas fee, which is very minor, 0.0001 something something. You understand? So recommendedly just deposit like $5, like $5. Okay, so this $5 you are not going to send in the form of USDT, it's going to be in form of SGB. You understand? So how do you do that is that you click backward. So you can see you have 0 SGB. So this SGB you can get it from Mex exchange. So you just go to your Mex exchange where you have your USDT. Yes, convert USDT to, click on USDT and click on USDT, and you search here. You search for SGB. SGB. You understand? Yeah. So now let me tell you one more reason you need to buy this SGB. Apart from that, you need it for that gas fees. You understand? Remember, if you send like $5 worth of SGB, just like convert $5 to SGB, the money will still be there and it will be appreciating. And even more, I'm giving you crypto signal now, spot. Buy more SGB. I'm telling you, if you look at the SGB, so if you look at SGB chart, the price action currently, guys, look at the price action of XGB. This is what I always told you guys, that look, this thing just broke out from the ranging phase, the accumulation phase, and this is just retested. Imagine this is going to pop up. So now even if you buy, even if you buy more SGB as a crypto right now, you are going to make profit. Like I'm sure this thing like 99%, like this is going to pump. Okay, SGB is going to pump. Just look at how it burst out from this accumulation phase, and it just retested. As you can see, after retesting, it has formed this kind of a dodgy candle, which is going to show a signal of pumping. So what I'm saying in next is that even buying, if you even buy more than $5, which you don't even need it, holding SGB right now is a good project to actually hold, because it's about pumping, it's about going into bull market right now after the accumulation phase. So now if you don't want to buy SGB, like you don't want to invest in SGB as a crypto, fine and good, just convert, like you click convert like $5. Okay, convert, like you buy. Remember, this can be done on Mex, so can buy like $5 or 6. Me, I'm doing 50 because I want to invest in SGB actually. So I'm going to convert $60 to SGB. I'm going to buy SGB worth of $50. I just bought. So after buying, I will go to I will refresh my spot wallet. So you can see I just refresh, and if I click on SGB, you can see I have 49 point. I have 3000 SGB. So I'm sending this SGB. I'm withdrawing this SGB. I'm withdrawing this SGB. You understand? I'm withdrawing it. I'll go and copy the address from here. So I will come to my Pixel wallet. I will now copy my SGB wallet address. After copying, I will go back to MEX. Remember, I've converted USDT, like 50 USDT. You can convert like 5 USDT recommendedly to SGB. Then I will now come and paste my Pixel wallet SGB wallet here. I will paste it here, and you can see the network I've been selected as SGB network. I'm selecting all. I'm sending the entire $50. Okay, just do $5. Then I will click on confirm. Then I will confirm withdrawal. Alright guys, so you can see my balance have reflect on my Pixel wallet. Like I say, you can just convert 5 USDT on MEX exchange to SGB, copy your SGB wallet and send just like I did. So now you will be able to be claiming. Remember, they are not going to be deducting your money, just that it need little gas, like 0.00001 guys. Like nothing is going to review. In fact, like I told you, if you can check the chart of SGB, you see that your value of SGB is going to explode very soon. There is nothing like assurance in crypto, but from this price action, if price action is king, this is going to pump. It's going to pump to 0.05. Like guys, holding your SGB alone, so your $5 is not going to go away if it is $5 you want to deposit. So now you can be claiming every 2 hours. Just come here every 2 hours, click on this button. If this thing is full, it has filled up, you just claim Pixel every 2 hours. So now to boost your claiming speed, you can also invite your friends. Just share your links, so it will you'll be getting 20% of their of their claim also, and teach them how to also fund, so that they'll be able to be claiming every hour. So also you can build the speed. So maybe after having like 0.02 point here of your Pixel, you can increase the speed, increase mining speed. You can increase the speed, just like hot, as we are mining hot. If you have been mining hot, so you can also increase the storage, but focus on the speed. Okay, you can just be you can always upgrade the speed. Keep upgrading as you earn more points. Guys, you are early in this project, don't fade on it. These Pixels point you are earning here, they are going to be turned into USDT. Okay. All right guys, so don't fade on any of this airdrop. You don't know the one that we pay later, but this is a very high potential airdrop. Plus buying SGB point is like crypto investment, because SGB is going to pump very soon. Yeah, so guys, another thing is that if you are not in the Telegram group, join the Telegram group, because that is when we will be giving you update when these your point are going to turn into money and other crypto airdrop. Join the airdrop group, join the spot signal and also the future signals. So if you are watching this on YouTube or any other social platform, Facebook, just check the description to join all these group I mentioned. See you in the next video guys.